Guys, we're back to our old good reviews, back to the classics. So, we'll be doing a review on this Iron Man Mark 42 toy. I don't know the name. I forgot about it. Tell me in the comments if you know it. So, flick the switch on in the back. It's got this missile launcher and it lights up.
Iron Man, powering up.
Says different things.
Armor online. Mark 42, armor engaged.
And if you see this gray button here, all you gotta do is click it and
Fire all weapons.
let's fire some down over there now. Like down the hole.
Repulsors, full power. Fire repulsor cannon.
So yeah, that's a good review, good toy on Iron Man Mark 42.